How to join head-to-head league on FPL. Hello everybody. If you guys are wondering how to do so in today's video, we will be guiding you through the process. So once you are into the Fantasy Premier League, you can basically use a league code from the league's administrator if you would like to join head-to-head. For that, you can head over to look out for the option called Leagues and Cup, tap on it, and you will be taken to this page right here. And from here, you can basically select the option called Join a League and enter the code provided uh, by the administrator for head-to-head. So look out for the create and join new league option, and you can look out for this option called create a new league and cup, tap on it. After that, you can basically type in the code, or you can look out for head to head scoring, this one right here, and you can select up the option. So you can type in the league name here, or you can basically, once you do so, you can select like your scoring start weeks, your maximum size, and create one. Or you can, if you're joining other people's, you can look out for this option called join, which is right here, join a league and cup, and select the option called join invitational league and cup. And here in this section, you can join the code. For example, let's say B7ZB Tuesday. So this is a code or a code similar to that, which needs to be provided by your administrator, as I said. After that, you can tap on join league, and once it is confirmed, you will be uh, entering the designated field, and you can confirm your entry, and that is it. So there are different offers, FPL offers, both classic and head-to-head leagues on your league. You can basically join the team by using the code and follow the process in order to do so. So that's it for today's video. I hope this information was helpful to you. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.